This is a 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include heater vents for rear seat passengers, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, an 8-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 17-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 54,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Gjovik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2600 US Route 34 East in Sandwich.